Hi, my name is Thomas Jakobkis. I'm a managing director of AT Eco Windows and Doors. We're based in Western Kent and been Internorm's partner since 2014. This beautiful project is based in Kent, and Internorm products we used KF310, which is aluminum cladded UPVC window, KS430 aluminum cladded UPVC lift and slide doors, and AT500 aluminum fingerprint entrance doors.
When we purchased this property, there was a timber framed 50-year-old house on there, and the property wasn't in a condition to refurbish. There was an opportunity in an area where it's very difficult to get land to demolish that property. It is next to a Grade 1 listed property, so whatever I built on this site had to be contemporary to compete with the architecture of the listed building. And I first came across Internorm at the Build It Live exhibition at the Kent Showground. The thing that struck me with the Internorm product straight away was how solid it was compared to a lot of the other products. And there was lots of companies offering on the big wide doors very thin profiles, which I, from a security point of view, didn't want to go down that route because they don't necessarily come with suitable sort of locking mechanisms. Whereas the sliding doors on offer from Internorm are solid, and we was quite happy to go for that look, you know, with bigger frames rather than very slim frames. And I think that's a very good move from a security point of view. So I started life as a quantity surveyor, and I've always been involved in glazing systems more on a commercial basis than on a residential basis. But all in all, the system I've gone for meets a lot of the quality standards that we would have to within the commercial sector. We also went for the Internorm front door system, which is all black aluminium again, which suits the rest of the house, with fingerprint recognition, which is quite handy. And yeah, very, very solid door, great locking mechanisms, 5 locks, and it just sort of finished off the house ready when we got that item sorted. When we were looking at the design of the windows, we were always going to go for a black aluminium on the outside. The roofing profile is all black aluminium. When it comes to the interior, we wanted to keep them as low maintenance as we could. The UPVC is very easy to maintain and keep clean. And that led us into sort of as many large window spaces as we can, because the windows are such a large element of the building itself. Everything wrapped around the windows.